Hi guys, here we've got DOOGEE S98 and let me show you how to add or remove Google account on this device. So at first you need to reach settings, then find and select accounts, passwords and accounts right here, and then here you've got Google account. So just click on it. And if you wish to add your Google account here, just provide your email address or phone number. And tap on next. Now enter your password. And as only the password is entered, tap on next. And now just mark if it's your device of your kiddos, tap on next, then tap on I agree to confirm that you are aware of all Google terms and conditions, tap on accept then. And then you can also manage your passwords, but I will skip it for now. And that's it. As you can see, your account has been added. Then whenever you wish to remove your account, smoothly click on the current one and tap on remove account, then confirm it and provide your fingerprint or pattern. And that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.